Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. I am V. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for coming back. I am now putting a matte color over my base because I am trying to keep the oil at bay because I have very oily eyelids. So you can call that the transition color. It's going all over my eyes. I am now applying my color. I'm using a black color to put all over my eyes. I have a childhood memory. If you have a childhood memory, let me know about it. The childhood memory I'm talking about is I haven't heard that song since 1978. I know I'm aging myself, but for the last couple days, well, more than a couple days, about a week now, this song kept coming back to me. And I'm not sure why. But it's a game we used to play during the moonlight in Dominica when I was a kid. If you have a childhood memory, share it in the comments below. I would love to hear what your childhood memory was. And I don't know who sang the song. I don't know the definition of the song. We just played it. I don't know where the song came from. Like I said, it's a childhood memory. And the song goes like, the song goes like this. It's called Kunacha, Kunacha, on the way the moonster, the best of all, the best of all, on the way the moonster, in the miso mama, in the miso papa, yeah, my little Zamazel. Ela Zama Zamazel. I can't tell you what it is, but we used to play that game and it was fun. If anybody from Dominica or anywhere in the islands or wherever you are and you ever heard that song or you played that game and how you played it, please leave it in the comments. I would love to know. Because this just kept coming back to me all last week. I don't know why. So I was like, I walk around the house singing it, believe it or not. I just don't know why it came back to me, and I just had to share that. But this is one of my childhood memories. Another childhood memory I had was, tell me also in the comments if you had one of those. We used to call it kiang kiang panties. It was a little underwear that you bought when you were little, you know, your parents bought these little cute panties, but they had lace, like ruffle laces in the bottom, in the back of it, ruffle laces all in the bottom, sometimes 3 rows of little ruffles, very pretty. So if you ever had one of those or you know about it, leave it in the comments. Those were cute. All little girls wear those, and they were very, very pretty. We call them kiang kiang underwear because of the ruffles. Right now I'm just fixing to make sure the eyes are close, you know. I want them to be close as possible. This is today's look. I created that today. And remember, you can create anything beautiful anytime because you are beautiful. Today's word is discontent. What are you discontent about? Please put that down in the comments. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And Simply You Makeup is saying to go out there and have a fabulous day. Bye.